Hi, this is Craig with Hilltop Camper. I want to do a quick walkthrough on a brand new 2027 Alliance Delta 291BH. I'm going to start on the outside because they do a lot of nice things. Here's the control panel in the front pass-through. It's obviously got the filtration system, black tank flush. What I like the Delta does, or Alliance does, they've got slide-out controls for the slide-outs on this side. You've got the spray port here for the outdoor shower. Once you adjust the temperature, you've got a spray port here and one on each side and one on the other side and then one in the back as well. I'm going to go around to the other side. It's got a power tongue jack, dual propane. You've got the awning control on this side, like I mentioned. You've got a 6-foot table that comes with this unit that's kind of slick. There's the other spray port for the outdoor shower, and then it's Starlight prepped. That's what that little option is there. Lots of room there. It's got 2 doors. One door goes straight to the front master bedroom. The other door is the main entrance. There's also an outdoor griddle and grill. It's pretty slick. They do a nice job. Nice wide ladder that's kind of made even to hang towels on to dry off. And then under the bunks is this amazing, huge storage place in the back. It's also got a 2-inch receiver to put a bike rack on or another rack for more storage. Now let's go inside and take a look. Nice fold-out stairs. So this is a bunk model. It's got these 2 bunks, double bunks in the back. They all have lights, windows, and USB. It's also got a sliding door to give you privacy here, and then decent storage as well. It's got a booth with a table that folds down, or you can remove and take that outside if you'd like. It's got recliners right across from the TV. There's a fireplace and again some more storage there. Solid surface countertops, 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, nice countertops with a sink, pull-out trash can, which is always kind of nice to have. Alliance does some nice touches. They've got this drawer with a silverware compartment and then other drawers. And then what I really like on this pantry, you've got these deep pull-out drawers that make use of the full space. It's just brilliant. I wish more manufacturers are doing that. Really nice touch there. You've got the 12-volt electric fridge and freezer, pretty good size. Walk through the bathroom. It's got the sink, medicine cabinet with a lot of storage. It's got the full surround sound or surround tower, shower, and soft close toilet. Here's the other door for the bedroom. Those stairs fold out. Lots of storage in here. Place for a TV as well. This kind of hidden storage. So you've got a drawer here, but you've also got kind of a hidden storage there. You got to take out the sticker. Not so much hidden now. Underneath, again, they do some nice things. You got storage there. There's a drawer on the top that slides, so you can kind of fill in the bottom and still get some things on the top and not get too disorganized. Also has a sliding door in the bedroom here as well. Hooks in the bathroom. So they make a really nice product. The fit and finish is done very nicely. I'd welcome you to come and take a look at this and some of the other options we have here. Again, this is Craig with Hilltop Camper. Thank you.